Electricity is a powerful force. It demands respect and careful handling. Using the right tools is not just about efficiency, it's about safety. The wrong tool can lead to frustration. It can also lead to dangerous situations. Imagine stripping a wire with a dull knife. This can damage the wire. It might even cut you. Now picture using a voltage tester before working on a circuit. This simple step confirms the power is off. It could save your life. Having the right tools makes electrical work safer. It also makes the work more efficient and enjoyable. Choosing the right tools can feel overwhelming. There are so many options. This guide will help you understand the essentials. We'll cover basic tools and specialized equipment. We'll also discuss safety gear and maintenance tips. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned electrician, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. Every electrician needs a reliable set of basic tools. These tools are the backbone of any electrical work, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out in the field. Having the right tools not only makes the job easier but also ensures safety and efficiency. In this chapter, we'll go over the essential tools that should be in every electrician's toolkit. These tools are the foundation for any electrical work. Without them, even the simplest tasks can become challenging and time-consuming. From basic repairs to complex installations, having the right tools at your disposal is crucial. They are essential for simple repairs and complex installations. Whether you're fixing a faulty outlet or wiring an entire building, these tools will help you get the job done efficiently and safely. First, you need a voltage tester. This tool is indispensable for checking whether a wire is live or not. It's a fundamental safety measure that every electrician should take before starting any electrical work. This tool tells you if a wire is live. Knowing this can prevent electrical shocks and other hazards, making it a critical tool for ensuring your safety on the job. It's the first thing you use before working on any electrical circuit. Safety first. Always make sure to test the wires before you touch them. This simple step can save you from serious injuries. Next, wire strippers are crucial for removing insulation from wires. This tool allows you to expose the wire without damaging it, which is essential for making secure connections. This allows you to make connections. Properly stripped wires ensure that your connections are solid and reliable, reducing the risk of electrical failures. Choose a pair with different gauge sizes for versatility. Having a versatile pair of wire strippers means you can handle various wire sizes, making your work more efficient and less time-consuming. Screwdrivers are essential for tightening and loosening screws. They come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific types of screws. Have both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers in various sizes. This ensures that you're prepared for any type of screw you might encounter, making your work more efficient. Pliers are versatile tools for gripping, bending, and cutting wires. They come in various types, each suited for different tasks, making them indispensable in any electrician's toolkit. Linesman pliers are a good all-purpose option. They are robust and can handle a variety of tasks, from cutting wires to twisting them together. A utility knife is handy for stripping insulation, cutting materials, and more. It's a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, making it a must-have in your toolkit. Keep the blade sharp for safety and efficiency. A dull blade can be dangerous and make your work more difficult, so always ensure your utility knife is in good condition. Finally, electrical tape is essential for insulating wire connections. This tape helps to prevent short circuits and other electrical issues, ensuring that your connections are safe and secure. Use it to wrap connections securely and prevent shorts. Properly insulated connections are crucial for the safety and longevity of your electrical work. These basic tools are essential for any electrical work. They form the core of your toolkit and are necessary for performing a wide range of tasks. Investing in quality tools will make your work safer and more efficient. High-quality tools are more durable and reliable, ensuring that you can perform your tasks with confidence and precision. While basic tools are enough for simple tasks, they often fall short when it comes to more complex electrical projects. For instance, a simple screwdriver or a pair of pliers might suffice for minor repairs or installations, but when you're dealing with intricate wiring systems or large-scale electrical setups, you need something more advanced. Bigger projects often require specialized equipment that is designed to handle the specific demands of the job. These tools not only make the work easier but also ensure that it is done safely and efficiently. These tools are designed for specific tasks. They make complex jobs easier and more efficient. For example, a circuit tracer can help you identify which circuit breaker controls a specific outlet or fixture. eliminating the guesswork and saving you valuable time. A circuit tracer helps you identify which circuit breaker controls a specific outlet or fixture. This is particularly useful in large buildings or older homes where the wiring may not be well documented. This tool saves time and eliminates guesswork. Instead of flipping breakers on and off and running back and forth to check if the power is off, you can quickly and accurately identify the correct breaker. Cable cutters are designed to cut through thick electrical cables with ease. These are essential when working with heavy-duty wiring, as they provide a clean, precise cut that standard pliers simply can't achieve. They provide a clean, precise cut unlike standard pliers. This precision is crucial for ensuring a secure connection and preventing potential electrical hazards. Fish tape is a long, flexible steel tape used to pull wires through conduits and walls. This tool is indispensable for running new wiring in both new construction and existing buildings. It's an essential tool for wiring new construction. Without it, the process of threading wires through tight spaces would be incredibly difficult and time-consuming. A conduit bender is used to bend metal conduits to create pathways for electrical wiring. This tool allows electricians to shape conduits to fit the specific layout of a building, ensuring that the wiring is both protected and neatly organized. It allows for precise bends and professional installations. Properly bent conduits not only look better but also reduce the risk of damage to the wires inside. Finally, a crimping tool is used to attach connectors to wires, creating secure and reliable connections for high-current applications. This is especially important in industrial settings where the integrity of electrical connections is critical. These specialized tools are invaluable for professional electricians and experienced DIYers tackling complex projects. They not only make the work easier but also ensure that it is done to a high standard. They simplify challenging tasks and ensure professional results. Investing in the right tools can make all the difference in the quality and efficiency of your electrical work. Section 4. Safety first. Protecting yourself while working with electricity. Electrical work can be dangerous if proper safety precautions are not taken. It's essential to understand the risks involved and take the necessary steps to protect yourself. This includes using the right tools, wearing appropriate safety gear, and following established safety protocols. Always prioritize safety when working with electricity. Before you begin any task, make sure you are fully prepared and aware of the potential hazards. This means conducting a thorough safety check of your equipment and workspace. Insulated tools are crucial for preventing electrical shocks. These tools are designed to provide a protective barrier between you and live electrical currents, reducing the risk of injury. They provide a barrier between you and live electrical currents. When selecting tools, ensure they are specifically designed for electrical work and have the appropriate insulation rating. Make sure your tools are rated for the voltage you're working with. Using tools that are not rated for the specific voltage can lead to dangerous situations, including electrical shocks and equipment damage. Safety glasses protect your eyes from flying debris and electrical sparks. These hazards can occur unexpectedly, and having proper eye protection can prevent serious injuries. Always wear safety glasses when working with power tools or electrical components. This simple step can make a significant difference in your overall safety. Gloves are also important for protecting your hands from shocks and burns. Insulated gloves provide an additional layer of protection, especially when working with live wires or energized equipment. Use insulated gloves when working with live wires or energized equipment. These gloves are designed to withstand high voltages and prevent electrical currents from passing through to your skin. Remember, never work on electrical systems while they are energized. Always ensure that the power is turned off before you begin any work. This is a fundamental safety rule that should never be ignored. Always turn off the power at the circuit breaker before beginning any work. This step is crucial in preventing accidental electrical shocks and ensuring a safe working environment. Test the wires to ensure the power is off before touching them. Use a voltage tester or multimeter to confirm that there is no electrical current present. This extra step can save your life. Safety should always be your top priority when working with electricity. By following these guidelines and taking the necessary precautions, you can protect yourself and others from potential hazards. Remember, a safe work environment is a productive one. Section 5. Choosing quality, investing in tools that last. Choosing quality tools is essential for safety, efficiency, and longevity. High-quality tools are built to last and provide reliable performance. Look for tools made from durable materials. For example, screwdrivers should have hardened steel shafts and comfortable slip-resistant grips. Pliers should be made from forged steel for strength and durability. Consider the design and ergonomics of the tools. Tools should be comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Look for features like cushioned grips and balanced weight distribution. Read reviews and compare prices from different brands. Investing in quality tools might cost more upfront but will save you money in the long run. Quality tools are less likely to break and require replacement. Remember, quality tools are an investment in your safety and the quality of your work. Don't compromise on quality when it comes to electrical tools.